Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest trends and technologies shaping the world today. In this video, we're diving into an exciting topic that combines two of the most transformative technologies of our time, the Internet of Things, or IoT, and the Metaverse. You've probably heard these terms thrown around in the tech world, but have you ever wondered how they're connected? What role does IoT play in the Metaverse? And how will their convergence reshape the way we interact with both physical and digital worlds? What is IoT? First, let's quickly define what we mean by the Internet of Things. IoT refers to a network of physical objects, devices, vehicles, buildings, appliances, that are embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity. These things collect and exchange data with each other and with central systems over the Internet. These devices help automate tasks, monitor environments, and even predict issues before they happen. From health and manufacturing to agriculture and urban infrastructure, IoT is making operations more efficient and intelligent. What is the Metaverse? Now, let's talk about the Metaverse. At its core, the Metaverse is a digital universe made up of interconnected virtual environments where people can interact, work, play, and socialize using avatars. The connection between IoT and the Metaverse. So, what's the connection between IoT and the Metaverse? Imagine entering a virtual environment that mirrors your real-world office or home. The lighting, temperature, noise levels, even the layout, are accurately represented because they are updated in real time by IoT devices. IoT feeds real-world data into the Metaverse, ensuring these virtual environments reflect what's actually happening in the physical world. Similarly, in smart homes, IoT devices like smart fridges, security systems, and energy meters can be visualized and managed in a virtual space using AR or VR interfaces. This enables homeowners to interact with their home systems more intuitively, no more scrolling through apps or menus. Practical applications. Let's go over some practical applications where this connection becomes truly impactful. 1. Healthcare. Imagine a virtual hospital where doctors can interact with patients via VR, while IoT devices track the patient's vitals in real time. The combination allows better monitoring, remote diagnostics, and even training simulations using real data. 2. Smart cities. Urban planners could step into a virtual model of a city powered by real-time data from IoT sensors. They can simulate traffic flow, monitor pollution levels, or plan emergency responses using live inputs, which can improve decision-making. 3. Education. In schools or training centers, IoT and the Metaverse can provide interactive simulations based on real-world environments. For example, students studying marine biology can experience ocean conditions as they are reported by IoT buoys and sensors. 4. Manufacturing. Workers can enter a virtual model of a manufacturing facility, powered by data from IoT machines. 5. Retail. Virtual stores in the Metaverse could display real-time inventory updates from IoT systems. Shoppers can browse and purchase items virtually, while the backend remains fully synchronized with the physical warehouse or outlet. Enhanced user experiences. IoT makes the Metaverse dynamic and personalized. For instance, wearable IoT devices like fitness bands or smartwatches can track a user's health stats and feed that data into their Metaverse avatar. Data challenges and privacy concerns. Of course, all of this potential comes with challenges. The most obvious one is data, both in volume and sensitivity. For example, if your smart home data is integrated into the Metaverse, business opportunities. Despite the challenges, the business potential is enormous. Companies that are early adopters of both IoT and the Metaverse are already creating next-level customer experiences. For instance, a car manufacturer can let customers test drive a virtual vehicle using VR, while the actual car's sensor data influences the simulation. The tourism industry can create digital twins of landmarks powered by IoT devices that track environmental changes, offering tourists a real-time immersive preview. Even real estate is getting in on the action, with virtual property tours that are updated live based on IoT data, showing not just static models, but the current status of lighting, noise, temperature, and more. The future of IoT and the Metaverse. Looking ahead, the fusion of IoT and the Metaverse is expected to get even deeper. As 5G and eventually 6G networks roll out, data transfer between IoT devices and virtual platforms will become faster and more reliable. We'll also see the rise of AI playing a critical role in making sense of the massive data being collected. AI can identify patterns, predict outcomes, and automate decisions, making the experience inside the metaverse more intuitive and responsive. Conclusion. To sum it all up, the connection between IoT and the metaverse is not just about technology, it's about creating an ecosystem where the digital and physical worlds blend seamlessly. Thanks for watching and joining us on this deep dive into how IoT and the metaverse are shaping our future. If you found this video insightful, make sure to hit the like button. And if you want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.